Good morning, everybody. Today we have an international personality online as a part of our webinar sponsored by the GS Commerce Club activity. Dr. Kurupswamy Ramanathan, who is a professor and international accredited trainer, CEO Spectrum Skills Yard City Academy, and Legend Outbound Training Solutions Vice President Rotary Club Coimbatore City, and General Secretary Global Society of HSC Professionals. Even though it is not possible for me to give a brief introduction of him, even though I try on my behalf. Dr. Kurupswamy Ramanathan has 5 years of industrial experience with Cipla Limited, Mumbai, and 18 years of teaching experience with Tyagaraja College, Madurai, and leading business schools in Coimbatore, India. He has received a gold medal for his academic excellence in his master degree from Ayanadar Janaki Ammal College, Madurai Kamaraj University. He is an alumni member of Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Dr. Samy has published 14 textbooks, 65 research articles in various referred national and international journals and with impact factor, and also presented 113 research papers in various conferences. He has organized 12 management development programs, 26 faculty development programs, 5 leadership camps, and 15 international level conferences. He has also produced 15 PhD scholars and 6 MPhil scholars. He is serving as an editor in 5 international journals and also a reviewer for 13 journals related to industrial safety, IPR, and risk management. He is a board of studies member and governing council member in various autonomous colleges and universities in India. He has widely travelled to many countries including Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, and Kuwait. He is a cricket all-rounder and represented Madurai Kamaraj University cricket team twice, and also played in inter-university cricket tournament twice during his college days. He is successfully running cricket coaching academy, Kapil Cricket Academy, and 2 cricket teams, Kapil Cricket CC and City Academy CC, Coimbatore. Professor Samy also served as a long range plan and also effective council member in ASSE India chapter. Apart from this, he is an artist and making his art work with political cartoons, painting, rangoli, and wall designs. He has organized 5 painting exhibitions with his painting or artwork. He is writing successfully in a wide range of literacy journals, including poems, short stories, and novels in Tamil. Beside that, he is having a major experience in tree plantation project which has undertaken by him, and practicing a planting of 1,000 trees every year, and since for the last 10 years he is on the same issue. He has organized 4 signature rallies to create awareness about HIV and tuberculosis, save the environment, save the girl child, and road safety. He has been awarded with prestigious awards like Prince Award by Youth Welfare Department 1996, Best Social Worker Award 2013, Best Secretary Award by Rotary District 2017, Man of Social Work Award by Idea Asia in 2017, and Man of Charity Award from United Nations Global Academy of Peace UK in 2019. With this brief introduction of Dr. Kurupswamy Ramanathan, professor and international accredited trainer, to resume his you can say the blessings through his session to all ours, and I welcome you all on behalf of GS College of Commerce, Wardha. Thank you, sir. Please initiate your session.
Thank you, Professor, for your warm words. First of all, my sincere thanks for the entire team, particularly the Department of Commerce as well as the head of the institution, for giving a wonderful opportunity and also to connect with thousands of people online. My presentation is about the behavioral communication. As you know, the communication plays a very vital role. So you cannot simply ignore the communication irrespective of any species. Okay, it may be a plants, they have their own communication system. Even it may be a birds traveling from one place to another place, maybe thousands of miles flying, they have their own communication system. But human being, even right now, I'm able to connect with the browser sitting almost 4,000 kilometers away. So the connectivity, the devices, which has improved. But there is a need for a quality of communication. As you know, what happened in US election this year, the way in which the social media were utilized, that's also one type of communication impacts. So today my presentation is going to be a 3-part. The first one, the introduction part into the behavior and behavioral communication. And the second part all about the components. How these two is going to have an impact on the soft skill of an individual as well as a group. So this is going to be my presentation. So I have a small presentation to you. Let me share the screen.
Yes, you share.
Yes. Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yeah.
So behavioral communication in soft skill development. I think this is going to be the right platform irrespective of graduates as well as the employees working in a different level. Because as you ever the communication it's having 360-degree focus in an organization. Okay, not only in placing the orders from the top level, but also to understand the impulse at the bottom level too. Now you can simply you can look into the picture. You can see the picture and you can identify who are you. So it's very simple message I want to convey to you. The people, those who are having a very good communication, they are able to score over others. Because we have a scarcity for leaders right now. I'm not talking about the political leaders. I'm talking about leaders, good quality leaders, those who are having a good communication skill. Okay, those are able to make the societal transformation as a whole. The best example I can tell you, Dr. Abdul Kalam. How he inspired lakhs and lakhs, crores and crores of people, not only in India but also in other side of the countries. We need a good leaders, those are having a good communication skill and able to make a societal transformation. We are looking for it. In countries like India, they have a shortage of leaders in total. I'm talking about the social leaders, those are having a common objective of serving for the society. I think, who are you? If you have a good communication, you can score over others and you can do wonder. So this is a simple message. Again, it's a kind of communication to you. 2 plus 2 is equal to fish. 3 plus 3 is equal to 8, 7 plus 7 is equal to triangle. Maybe a kind of coding you may be looking like. It's very simple. 7 is there. If you join both 7, so you'll be getting a triangular shape. You'll be getting it. Like by 3, okay, if you go for a mirror image, all the thing, if you put a mirror image, 3, if you join 3 together, you'll get 8. Likewise 2, you get if you go for a horizontal view, you get a fish type of thing. Again, even a single picture can tell you, act as a powerful communication to you. It's an open challenge for all audience. I'll give you a 10 seconds time to you. How many animals are there? You have to identify 4, 7, 8, 12. So again, communication need good observation first at the root level. And the second thing, listening is the powerful thing. See, if you're able to find the pictures, how many animals are there? Okay, well and good. Or frog. Okay, you can find the frog over there. You can see the nose, the mouth of ours is in the basic root level of communication. But the best communicator, the best communicators, the best public speaker, or the person who made an influential thing in the behavior of others, that people believed in their self. So my humble request to you, believe in you, okay, believe in yourself. So everything starts from you. Say, if you take an individually, say for example, me, okay, the self-trust is the first one. The self-trust, I should understand myself, then only self-trust will be coming. Self-understanding should be there, then I must have a self-trust. Let me make a pat on my shoulder every day, okay,
रुक गए
the lifestyle beauty. Okay, likewise, you must have a self-appreciation. self-evaluation should be there. And at most, you must have a self-direction too. After 5 years, what you are going to be? After 10 years, what you are going to be? After 15 years, what you are going to be? Like that, you must have a self-direction. And if you have all those things, automatically you'll have a self-satisfaction. Once you're able to get the desired results, once you're able to achieve something fruitfully, okay, as per your wish, then you'll have a self-satisfaction in that. I think, so you start from, everything start from you. Even communication, okay, start from you, everything within you. So even if you look into the personality, behavior, everything, it starts from your heart and reflecting to others. This picture will tell you, say for example, somebody else asking a question to you, whether you are a good person or a bad person, because it plays a major role. Suppose if anybody is asking me whether you are a good person or a stand person, or stand in front of the mirror and ask yourself whether you are a good person or a bad person, it's very difficult to answer for it. I can give a simple thing to you. Say for example, if you take myself, I'll have two you. Why were you? First you, the you within me, okay, what I'm inside. And the second you, how I reflect myself to others. So the first one, you within me, and second you, how I reflect, okay, represent, how I focus myself to others. These two yous are there. If the first one and second one, when you compare first one and second one to that, if you find any difference or a major difference, you are a bad person. If the you within you and the you what you focus outside, there is no much more difference. Both are similar. You are a very good person. So the behavior of the person starts from the first starting origin point. How good you are inside. How good you are inside. And the second thing, you can easily reflect yourself, because the reflection of mind will decide your behavior. So one thing you can look into that, this is an indicator of your character. The behavior starts from your character. The difference between you and you, the first you is the you known to yourself. You only knowing it. No one in the outside, they cannot vouch for it. The second you is you that is so to others. So let's my communication medium will be abnormal. So ego-stick communication will be knowing it. So they'll be having a certain issues and other thing. Just a minute. Hello, sir. It's audible, sir. So I'm audible. Yeah. So the major thing for students community here, I want to convey the message to you. If you're a good communicator, you can choose your employer and fix your salary. Because the entire world is working on a communication medium, communication platform. Even if you take a website for a company, okay, they're looking for a content developers. How the business is going to communicate with others? Likewise, they're looking for a strategic capabilities and tactical capabilities. When these both are blend together with the communication, automatically, okay, you'll be going to the you are going to be the powerful leader in the corporate. And if you look into the learning style of individual, okay, everybody must have vigorous thrive in their heart and mind to learn plenty of things. Graduate yesterday, starting learning today is an uneducated tomorrow. I think we'll be knowing a lot of updates are taking place, not only in technology, but also in market condition. What happened before COVID-19? What happened after COVID-19? Okay, now people are saying it COVID 2.0, the other version of COVID-19. So we must get ready to look into that. So graduate yesterday, stopping learning today is an uneducated tomorrow. So one thing, okay, this one I think, let me go to one simple example, how communication plays a vital role. You take the previous, the couple of elections earlier, okay, Obama contested for an election in America, USA. So that time, just 2 days left over for completion of campaign. So a day before the last day, he made one statement to the media. Give me a chance, let me make change. Let me make change. So that has flourished like anything in all newspaper daily and other thing, okay, social media, everything, okay, now Obama is for a change. And the second day, last day, he made another statement, you and me can make a big change. This is a simple message he communicated, you and me can make a big change. So that has flourished like anything, the media, okay, that has focused that one, okay, it has reached, the millions of hearts, and finally Obama won in that election. I was tracing for that word, change, okay, how the change, the word is having that much amount of powerful one. I traced it, then Obama got it from Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela got it from Martin King Luther. Martin King Luther got it from Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi got it from Swami Vivekananda. Change is permanent in the world. So change the change, otherwise change will change you. Okay, this one also needed. Okay, because I cannot say I'll go only for chalk and talk for my student. I cannot say. Now I must have well versed in all communication medium platforms which are available. I should update. What are the apps available? What are the software available? What are the animation tools available? I must be aware about it. I think this transformation, okay, right from our childhood days, we are making it. Okay, we are making a transformation. Okay, the communication is also like that only. Unless otherwise, if you're not practicing it, if you're mentally keeping with inner strength, particularly, we talk about the vocabulary and other thing. It should get whatever the communication technique, strategy you're going to adopt, it should match to your personality too. So transformation, we started right from the first day of our birth. We started communicating with mother, maybe with some noises, crying and other thing. Now we are able to make a big stories like 30 pages, 50 pages story. If you give any topic, I can write it. This is a way of transformation we have made. This is not a one-day miracle. Okay, they have given a lot of cushioning, strength, learning, experiences, all the things, even learning from others. Okay, and then observation from media and listening to the other speakers and other things. So the medium of preparation might have, it involved different kinds of transformation. That's why I put a picture here. Yes. And the most important thing you must have in your mind is ask. A-S-K, ask. Ask stands for attitude. S stands for skill. The skill is doing, knowledge is knowing. Okay, it should be first knowledge should come, knowledge is knowing, skill is doing. Attitude, you must have a positive attitude. Yes, absolutely. Everyone will vouch for it, will support with me. Okay, every person must have a positive attitude. And one question you may be asked, okay, whether positive attitude will give the success. But I will give you a small change in that. I don't agree with that, because positive attitude alone will not give a success for you. Positive attitude will increase the probability of success. So you must have a positive attitude and skill. Yes, of course. The skill sets are required. Now we have a huge volume of youth in our country. The government is also making a lot of efforts to go for a skill development. Once we are able to develop the skills of our youngsters, automatically India can do wonder. Knowledge, yes. Right from Nalanda, okay, and we have the other traditional books and other thing, Arthashastra, and we have Mahabharata, Ramayana, we have rich knowledge base in countries like India. So we have supported their ancestors. Okay, those are known for their powerful knowledge and other thing, and particularly for governments. And if you ask me, luck is equal to preparedness. How you prepared yourself and getting ready, and preparedness plus opportunity. So every day you go to win. So Virendra Sehwag, okay, when he was playing, no, that time he has mentioned every day I go to win. If I score a century, I cannot happy for next. I cannot simply sit in the team for the next 1 or 2 years. Next day Sachin may be scoring a century, Ganguly may be scoring a century. So it's my duty every day I go to win. Every day I should contribute at least 50 to 60 runs for the betterment of the team. That was a statement made by the Virendra Sehwag. So success, if you ask me, is not being first always. Success is not being first always, doing better than yesterday. What you know yesterday, okay, take the base, knowledge base, and if you are able to add 1% or a 0.0001% additionally, that's called success. Yes, coming to the core segment, behavioral communication. So behavioral communication, and everyone will be knowing this, a psychological construct that addresses people use of day-to-day behavior as form of communication. Okay, as already told you, there are many variables. One, we used to say the behavior of the people, the attitude of the people. Okay, then the people, how they react to the situations. Okay, some people may be induced by others. All those things will be coming under. The psychological construct that addresses people use day-to-day behavior as a form of communication. Okay, and specifically it refers to people's tendency to express feelings, needs, and thoughts by means of indirect messages and behavior. I'll show you a picture. I think that will give a clear-cut idea to you. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Okay, how an individual person is reflecting her emotions. So I think this picture will tell you the entire story about the earlier meaning for it. Yes, you can do the day-to-day behavior in the form of communication. So that is quite interesting. You can see the picture will tell you the thing. And there are many theories available, but I have taken two theories which have excellent base for the communication and particularly behavioral communication. One is the theories of behavioral prediction and theories of behavior change. There are two things. One is the prediction. Okay, that's also needed, but it should be free from personal bias. I cannot have any preconceived notions within me. Okay, at the time of approaching the other people's behavior. So you must know, if you want to have an invading into the behavioral communication, okay, everybody must have a invading into theories of behavioral prediction and theories of behavior change. See, the first one, if you look into the predictive theories, okay, that addresses why people change behavior. Okay, what are the trigger factors? What made them to change the behavior? They identify what prompts people, or you can say triggers, stimulus, are influencing factors people to perform or not to perform. Okay, maybe having a positive impact or a negative impact. A health-related behavior or a health-related, in contrast, if you look into the behavior, second theory, behavior change theories, explain how people change behavior. Okay, the first one about the address why people change behavior. Okay, how they change the behavior, that will be a part of second one. Okay, here I'll give you a simple thing, the stages of behavioral change. Okay, this will tell you the entire story about the stages of behavior change. Another picture, I think the stage of behavior change. Okay, this is Greenlay. This again, it was adapted from, this picture is adapted from the Greenlay, and Pro Chaksha, I think one more, the psychologist who has contributed many things for many things related to the behavior. So this is adapted from that. You can see pre-contemplation, skill drives, and contemplation, preparation, action, maintenance. These are the stages which are part of behavior change. Yes. For a better understanding about that, okay, I have made one simple thing, that because this is India is a country where more lifestyle disorder people are there, lifestyle disorder diseases, chronic diseases like diabetic people, okay, and cardiovascular problems, obesity. Okay, likewise, I have taken a simple thing of diabetes. Look at the stage one, pro-contemplation. Okay, first one, okay, people have a thing that I don't have a disease, so why should I change? Why I have to make a lot of changes within me? Also, people, they may not be interested to make changes in that. The stage two, contemplation. I'm no more happy, I'm worried, I'm having a diabetics. So I want to live. Again, the urge will be coming, a lot of awareness will be coming, confusions will be there. I'll save myself. I want to live, I will save myself. Prevention is better than cure. That will be the stage 2. And stage 3, preparation. So, yes, I have diabetic. Okay, let me get ready to make changes within. Learn reading, healthy practices, health tips, what are things you are supposed to take, and other thing. Okay, getting an awareness is about the preparation. But if you do that, that will be a part of action. I'm doing. So, yes, dietary changes. Okay, what we are supposed to take for the breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, earlier you may be taking 3 times. Now, okay, you may go for 5 times. Okay, it may be like a rationing of balanced nutritional thing, and physical activity, particularly walking, or if you're able to play, you can choose one settle. People like us, we are playing cricket regularly, and regular medicines. Okay, as prescribed by the doctors. So that'll be the action stage. And maintenance, yes, I will continue to do that. Okay, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement may happen. So positive reinforcement, okay, let me review that cycle, entire cycle, what type of changes I have made it, what type of benefits I am getting it. Okay, let me rotate the thing. So let me roll the thing, and we'll become opinion leader too. And coming to the effective behavior communication. So one is it will the end result of effective communication. Okay, it may be in any form. It may be a top level, medium level, bottom level, or it may be in a social media platform, or it may be a part of digital marketing. So one is productive relationship. Even if you use that effective behavior communication, okay, you are able to retain the existing customers, and you are able to attract the people those who are using other products too. So you will have better understanding about the people, and automatically and effective behavior communication will lead to productive relationship. Now, once you do that, the success sequence, if you look into that, okay, when you talk about the behavior communication, first thing, the values will come. First thing, we are talking about the ethical values of an individual, ethical behavior of the people, how a company involved in corporate social responsibility. All those things will be put in that very simple very powerful word, values. We used to say values, ethics, principles, and other things. So our values. So that will be acting as a base for the behavior communication. Second one, our beliefs, the self-esteem and the self-image, our belief, and our thoughts. Okay, these are all. It's not one day miracle. It might have transformed from our early generations. Okay, maybe my father given a lot of input. I have getting. My father might have received from my grandfather. Likewise, I'll be telling something to my daughter and son. Again, it's over a period of time. Okay, the behavior. Okay, the behavior, or you can say the attributes that will be supplied by many things. Sometimes we'll be getting it from the environment. Simply looking to the environment, observe it. What is happening in and around, I can observe. One, I can learn how to behave. Oh, I can behave like that person. Sometimes don't behave like that person. So both the things you can get it with that. So values, beliefs, and our thoughts, okay, that will result in effective behavior communication. And the success sequence, yes. Okay, if you're able to fulfill that, okay, maybe the objective results, okay, values, belief, and thought we have taken, what we say and do, that matters. But you are watched by many people. Even we used to convey the message to the people, students, particularly students. You may think that nobody is watching, but thousands and thousands of people are watching. Nowadays, okay, you cannot escape what happened through some social media account, Twitter account, Facebook account, and other things. So what we say and do, okay, that matters a lot. And results also very much important for it. The results, what you're going to drive, what you're going to get, okay, it should be purely based on values, beliefs, and thought. Okay, then only you'll be getting a self-fulfilling thing with that. Yes, we communicate plenty of things. Yeah, I'll put it in a very colloquial way. I'll make it in a very colloquial way. Communication, you may think that a principal is giving a communication to the head of the department, or head of the department is communicating with the faculty is giving. No, there are many ways. One, get information. Yes, we communicate to get information. Okay, and motivate the people. That's also, even if you're able to see one video, motivational video on YouTube, or you're able to listen to the speeches of Abdul Kalam, or if you're able to look into the wordings related to Mother Teresa, okay, then you'll get a lot of motivation and other thing. And even we communicate even to cheat the greed, abuse. There are many ways the communication is used. So don't take it as communications only for decent communication, okay, giving some information, getting information. No, there are many other things. I mentioned only very few. So it's all about, because the entire world is functioning under the communication. Okay, you'll be knowing it. Even to cover the entire world, you need 3 satellites. Then only you can have a 360-degree focus. Likewise, okay, there are hundreds of satellites which are in radius circulating to cover with the communication and the other thing. So you take an individual, you need much more thing than that. The basic communication principle, yes, it should be the first slide, but I made it very simple. Everything we do is communication. Yes, the way in which I speak, the way in which I look the other people, the way in which I dress, yeah, the way in which I show my finger to the person standing in front of me, the way in which I reflect my emotions, all those things. So everything we do is a communication. The way we begin our message often determines the outcome of the communication. So that's also very, very important. The way message is delivered always affects the way message is received. It's very simple. I say, for example, I'm the sender. I'm planning to send some message. I'm making a content. Okay, I'm putting in a message. I'm sending to the receiver. Receiver should receive in the same sense, in the same meaning. We used to say in law, consensus ad idem. Okay, say for example, I want to communicate with the professor. So what I'm trying to say, okay, he should also understand the same meaning and the same sense and the same meaning. So that is called as consensus ad idem. So the basic communication principle is based on the consensus, and of course, the real communication is the message received, not the message intended. Yeah, the original message, the way in which you receive it in the same sense, in the same meaning. Communication is two-way street. Yeah, you have to give us saying well as gather. So it's a two-way. It's not a one-way communication you are making. It should be a two-way communication. A behavior communication trilogy. I think everyone will have it in their mind, but practicing is a very difficult one. One is mutual respect. How I recognize other people, how I'm recognized by other people. So mutual respect. So mutual respect, even if you look at the hidden fact, is interpersonal skill. So you'll be recognized by many people, the way in which people recognize you. So mutual respect will develop the good quality of interpersonal skill also, and gather good information. Yes, otherwise you'll be feeded with some negative people or wrong information and the third thing. So if you have the mutual respect, automatically the another component, gathering good information, is also needed, and give good information. It's not only about getting good information, but also to give the information to them. So this is the 3 components which are part of a behavior communication trilogy. Yeah, the good information in behavior communication. Yes, there are 6 C's in giving good information. I think it's based on a theory, a clear, concise, correct, complete, courteous, and concrete. Okay, I think these C's are very familiar. So no need to discuss much more, and that I'll skip to the next one and look at the verbal, vocal, and visual, and the communication, the components. One is verbal. Yes, I'm not going to spend much more time. The message that we deliver, that's called verbal. And vocal, the voice that we convey, so that's called vocal. Visual, yes, our body language, how we reflect. Even body language can tell the thousands of words to other listeners. And studies tell 70% of mistakes in the workplace are a direct result of poor communication. Okay, if I'm reporting, if I'm not getting the report from my staff members, suppose weekly reports, they're not submitting it. Okay, maybe because of some issues and the other thing. They might have completed the work, and if they're saying it, if they're not in a position to submit the weekly report, so it may create some suspects. So I think the communication plays a major role in maintaining a cordial relationship with all the subordinates and superiors. Okay, it will have a free flow of information. Good quality information will be exchanged. I think what we have seen in the last one, again, it will create a good relationship among the people. But on the other hand, if you look at that, 70% of the mistakes, if 10 employees are working in an organization, or if 100 people are working in an organization, only 30 people are able to make a good communication. So 70% of the people are not in a position to make a quality communication. That creates a lot of issues and the other thing. And causes for behavior communication difficulties, yes, this is also very, very important. Lack of information and knowledge. If I don't have information to deliver, suppose maybe requested me to give a session for 1.5 hours. Okay, if I'm not having the content, okay, I'm able to complete within 20 minutes. So what will happen? So another the leftover time to be filled. So this lack of information and knowledge. He must understand the market conditions, about the people, about the customers, okay, about the suspects, about the prospects, about the clients. He must know all the things there. So lack of information knowledge, that causes behavior communication difficulties, creating a negative impact, not explaining priorities or goals properly. That's also creating issues and the other thing, and not listening. As I already told you, the very first step of communication, if you ask me, it's listening. All good, successful communicators, the people those who are having good communication skill, the public speaking people, they are very good listeners. That's why they're able to make a big difference in their life. And not understanding fully and fail to ask questions. That's also creating another one. If you're not in a position to understand fully and fail to ask questions, okay, if anybody is listening to a talk or a speech, okay, they must be in a position to ask questions. So it shows it has reached many people, and mind made up and preconceived ideas. So that's also create. I told you preconceived notions. Okay, if I'm looking at a person, okay, even in the first time I'm seeing that person, I may create some preconceived notions within me. That person is a poor. This person is not good. Is a bad person. Like this, if I give some preconceived notions to him, he may be doing extremely well, but my inner heart may not recognize his talent, skills in the forthcoming days. So preconceived ideas and other thing will create. And not understanding others' need. That's also you must understand that not thinking clearly, jumping to conclusions. So that's also create a lot of issues and other thing. So again, what happening in various levels. I'm not going on the political career and other thing. What's happening in each state because of the communication issues, water sharing, all those things, the climate change, the conditions, water preservations, and protecting the agricultural land and other things. There are many things that are happening. This is mainly because of not thinking clearly, jumping to conclusion without understanding the massive people mind. Bad mood. Again, yes, the communication, it's also because of bad mood. If I may be starting a day with a smile, okay, the entire day will be good. If I am starting the day without any smile, I don't have any warm feeling when I wake up, okay, automatically the entire day, okay, my communication will be on the other side. And failure to explore alternatives. Yes, the people used to say, always a plan. If you have plan A, you must have plan B. If the plan A is not working out, you must have a plan B. If plan B is not working out, so you would go for a plan C, likewise. So the failure to explore alternative, that also creates some cellular damages in the communication cycle. Yeah, again, as I already told you, what will be the impact, what you're going to, the net impact, what you're going to have in behavior communication failures can cause loss of businesses. Yes, if I have a rough talk with my customer, maybe unusual talk because of my mood, my behavior, okay, I have that customer for more than 10 years, okay, just I want to collect 1,000 rupees from him. If I use any, because of my mood, because of my behavior, okay, I might have had some better experience with some other people. If I reflect the same, if I reflect in the same tone, automatically I may be losing my customers. And mistakes and inefficiencies, that's also happening. Lower productivity, yes. Even this is seen. Even you look into that very simple thing. Okay, Hitler is a powerful communicator. No social media, no public addressing system massively, but he is able to manage the thousands and thousands, 10,000s of people. Okay, with a single singular talk, maybe for a 20 minutes, 30 minutes, he is able to control over the people. So these are all the things, okay, which is given optimum productivity, optimum thing. So lower productivity means everybody is working for optimization. Okay, if I'm studying mathematics, I will try to get 100. So that's my optimization thing. If I'm not interested, okay, my mood is disturbed, automatically I'm not be doing a regular study, so I may be trying for 40 to 50 marks just to pass it. And poor coordination and cooperation. Okay, I can give you one thing. I can give you one simple thing. One simple thing I can give it to you. Okay, after all, these are all the things we are talking about failure. I can give some of the interesting personalities. Okay, those have made a lot of changes in the communication. When it is communication, I can give you one person who has made a miracle. Still, okay, every person in the world is remembering. I think everybody will be knowing it. Okay, the marathon. Okay, 22 continuous running. Okay, that was included in Olympic. I think everybody will be knowing it. When Athenian army defeated by Parisians, yeah, legend. Okay, Philippide. That person name is Philippide. He is an ordinary soldier. You know, a big country, a small country is fighting with a big country. A small country won the war. So a soldier from that small country, Philippide, his name is Philippide, ran for 22 hill miles. 22 hill miles, no Adidas, no Nike, no Chappell, Paragon, nothing. Okay, ran in a barefoot for 22 hill miles. Rock stones and everything there. He saw his fellow countryman. He reached the country border. He saw one person. He passed the message. We won in the war. He passed the message and passed away. He lost his life because of continuous running. He had a cardiac arrest. On the spot, he died. He simply passed the message. We won the war. That was a message passed by him. Only in the remembrance of the great soldier Philippide. Still, the Olympic is having a marathon race. Even I can tell you the another person. There are many gurus are available for communication. But if you look at the modern communication guru, I will say a person who constructed the platform www. World Wide Web. So World Wide Web, I think you'll be knowing it. Japanese government has given a one prize award, Millennium Tech Prize Award. In 1 millennium year, you are the only person eligible to get that award. That is called Millennium Tech Prize Award. That was given by Japanese government. Japanese government has given with that. So Tim Berners-Lee is the person who constructed the platform. But we are today enjoying it. It's mainly because of Tim Berners-Lee. There are many things. So if you have a better behavior communication, there are a lot of good things are there. The simple thing I can tell you how a negative behavior communication. One simple thing. Last test match, Walt Smith. Okay, the world best batsman. Okay, everybody used to see and appreciate Steve Smith play, but he has removed the mark made by our Indian batsman. He changed the line and everything, and he was for that for making some damage to the ball. He was banned for 1 year earlier. Now he's also okay. People are expecting after the test match some punishment may be given for him. So it may create some it may create the personal image, and the Australian team as a whole. Last test match, they lost their image and sometimes frustration. Indian two batsmen were batting very well. Ashwin and another person, okay, almost they played for hundreds, 200, 300 balls. Automatically, the Australian frustrated. So behavior communication failures can cause many things. The frustration, the main thing is, and of course, in the long run, if you do that, okay, it may create a lot of problems to your heart and mind. And communication failures, dissatisfaction with others, will not have warm feeling with others, lower morale, yes, loss of team spirit, and high employee turnover. Okay, people, if you're not honoring, treating the people with the proper words, automatically they will look for a better opportunity. And conflict and arguments. Okay, sometimes the conflict may come. The arguments may lead to some conflict. Because of conflict, arguments will come. If the arguments are not addressed properly, that may create a problem. So automatically, okay, that problem may create a massive impact, but automatically the entire team will be affected. Drop in self-esteem and confidence, yes. Loss of friendship. You may be losing the people. So these are the few things. And some common behavior communication filters, yes. You will be knowing it. Premature revelation, prejudice, inattention, stereotyping, the same kind of thing, repeating the thing, assumption, generalizing, poor listening skills. Yes, fixed ideas. There are many other ignoring and distorting information contrary to our beliefs and other things. There are the few things. And give good information. Yet when we give information, okay, we must start with everything. We must start with the precise, memorable, and powerful words. Support your words with visual aid. Give demonstration. Provide examples. Okay, what are the thing you want to introduce? Okay, you must give a lot of examples and other thing. And of course, this is very, very important. For it, 7 positive principles of behavior communication is soften the use or change into I to avoid sounding pushing. Okay, so the certainly you are change the into I. This is the first principle of the positive behavior communication. Okay, and the second thing, focus on the solution, not the problem. Okay, the biggest toughest thing for many of them, we used to focus only on the problem. We never discuss about the we'll be bothering about the consequences, adverse consequences of the problem. We never look into the solution. So we must, once you are seeing a problem, we must look into the solutions. Yeah. And turn can't into cans. So I can, you can, we can. So that type of positivity should be there. Take the responsibility. Okay, don't lay blame. Okay, even if anybody is saying it, you are not correct. If anybody is saying, okay, this is your mistakes, first accept it and make a review on it. If you are able to find, yes, this is genuine, make some restructuring within you. Likewise, okay, you must get it. Okay, if you are getting a lot of comments from many people, you can make yourself perfect in a better way. So take the responsibility. So what do you want? Not what you don't want. So this is also very, very important. So what do you want? Okay, that one you must be very clear in that and focus on the future. As I already told you, because past we don't have any control. Okay, we must focus on the future. But you have a current, okay, today is the fruitful day. So every day when you start the day, you simply start with the today is going to be a greatest day in my life. So focus on the future. Yeah, what's your plan, short-term plan, maybe for this year, 2021, maybe a long-term perspective, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years plan for your life. Even for a company, even for a product, even for a pencil, we are making a plan, budget plan and everything. But do you have any futuristic plan for your life? And share information rather than argue or accuse. This is very, very important. Most of the time we used to put forward, it will make a lot of changes in the behavior of other people. Once I argue, automatically the people inner thing will be stimulated. So it may create a negative vibe among the people. Okay, it may create a lot of issues to that. Yeah. This one I think which will give a clear idea about the thing. We have one brain and two minds. So we have one brain and two minds. Okay, one elephant. First, look at it. There are three. One rider sitting on an elephant. Look at that. Elephant is impulsive mind, whereas a rider will have a rational mind. The path, the environment, what you are going to have. The rider, the
we have seen, I think, one brain, two minds. Yes, this also we have taken. The rider will have a conscious and verbal thinking brain, whereas the elephant will have the automatic emotional brain. Now, assertive, yes, assertive communication, it's all about verbally assertive people. Make statements that are honest, clear, brief, and to the point. They use they use I statement, I would like, I appreciate, I think, likewise. So they'll make a one simple criterion that ask, don't tell, okay? And they're able to make a difference between the fact and opinion. And assertive communication, again, of course, is offer constructive criticism and free of blame, assumptions and other thing. And non-verbally assertive people, they make appropriate eye contact. Okay, non-verbally assertive people, they make appropriate eye contact, sit or stand firmly and comfortably in a position, and gesture, okay, it will also suit for the situation. Okay. And again, the body language, as I already told you, it plays a major role. Okay, it plays a major role in a communication. Even you look into all personalities, those who are involved in making either it may be in the public speaker perspective, their body language is said to be one of the powerful one. Yes, coming to that, how this behavior, the communication is having a connectivity with the hard skill and soft skill, particularly soft skill. First and foremost, we must be in a position to differentiate what's the difference between hard skill and soft skill. As you know, we have two portions of brain. One is related to hard skill, another one related to soft skills. Yeah, the brain is capable of making two different types of things. One, say for example, even creativity. Some people may be innovative, and the other thing that will be a part of soft skill portion of brain. Okay, even communication, curiosity, collaboration, storytelling, making a painting, dancing, all those things, the problem solving ability, all those things will be a part of soft skill. Whereas hard skill, it's about technical skills. And most of the soft skills are inherent within us, whereas hard skills can occur, okay, maybe by doing some exercise in the laboratories, maybe looking to the demonstrative learning, we can get it. And you can look into the mathematics, statistics is the best example. And subject matter expertise, that's also a part of a hard skill. And looking to the soft skill, because the stratification, okay, made it into 5 categories. One is leadership soft skill, problem solving soft skill, work ethic soft skill, and team management team soft skill. Okay, time management the soft skill and team soft skill. These are the skills which are categorized based on the communication. Okay, I made a categorization. There are 186 soft skills are there. But from my knowledge goes, I have categorized into 5 different categories. So almost I have taken 120 variables here. This one was used in a PhD research topic. That's why I have taken this one. If you take leadership soft skill, if you say soft skill, it's all about people management. How we're going to understand the people, how we're going to motivate the people, all those things. You can see the list given over here, people management, project management, remote team management, okay, which is, we are talking about the cloud, HRM, cloud finance, all those things are part of it. And social media marketing, digital marketing, that's also remote team management is needed for it. And virtual team management, meeting management, and coaching, deal making, decision making, delegation, then you take anything, encouraging, humility, inspiring, all the things will be a part of leadership soft skill. Whereas problem solving soft skill, you look into that analysis, analysis, brainstorming session, giving it, and experimenting, imagining, innovating, reframing, troubleshooting, observation, mind mapping, all the things are part of a problem solving. Even if you take each and every variable, okay, you need a lot of communication. Even if you say analysis, you cannot say it simply with that. You need some information, you need data, you need some facts and figures to make an analysis. Then only you can get a better outcome out of it. Likewise, work ethic, soft skill. Yes, here you'll find a lot of things. Okay, we have taken business ethics, okay, calm, commitment, dependability, discipline, and way in which things are organized. Okay, and optimistic, always look for positivity into that, punctual. It's all about time management, reliable, responsible, result-oriented, taking criticism. These are all the part of work ethic soft skill. On the other hand, the time management soft skills, yes, there are many things in that, mainly on focus, goal setting, memory, planning, prioritizing, recall, even scheduling, sense of urgency, streamlining, all the part of team management soft skill. Whereas teamwork soft skill, accept feedback, collaborative, cooperation, even feedback, we say it's a kind of communication. Collaborative, it's a kind of exchange of ideas and thoughts from others. And cooperation, yes, coordinating certain things with the people to get the desired results. And dealing with the difficult situation, okay, how we're going to solve the issues, listening to the problem, or understanding the root levels of the problems. And disability awareness, yes, diversity awareness, idea exchange, influential, all the things are part of this one. So these skills are very much needed for having a better behavioral communication. Once you're able to have a better behavioral communication, automatically the leadership soft skill, problem solving soft skill, work ethic soft skill, and time management soft skill, and team soft skill will be on upper side. One fundamental interesting thing is that communication is everywhere. Even a person is silent, there is a practice of communication. Yeah, even silence is also a part of a communication. Gather good information with your ear. Yes, the simple meaning for it: explore by asking question, affirm to show your listening, reflect your understanding, and silence, listen some more. So that's a thing you have to listen to. You have to show your ears. And there are many type active listening. Yes, giving individual attention, making notes and other thing. So attend physically. Okay, when you say listen more carefully, effectively, as I already told you, the communication, effective communication, and behavior communication, that will be completely full-fledged unless otherwise the people are attentive to the thing. Attend physically, attend mentally, check it verbally. These are the 3 components they must look in that. In addition to that, the bad habits of poor listeners. Yes, if person is not putting maximum efforts to listen, understand the communication in a better way, they'll be going for a wrong conclusion. Sometimes they may be jumping to conclusions. People say don't get into other shoes. They may be jumping to other shoes and finishing others' sentences for them. And inactive body language, not responding to what others have said, failing to ask questions and give feedback. These are the bad habits of poor listeners. And good habits of active leaders, I think this one already we have taken. Looking to the speaker, may having an observation and eye contact, asking questions, giving speakers time to articulate their thoughts, and remaining poised, calm, emotionally controlled, looking alert and interested, and particularly, okay, he or she should respond to the speaker. And when receiving listening feedback, listen, don't resist, keep calm, you are receptive, your body language should reflect it, ask questions, don't be overly sensitive, self-productive, or overly. So these are the other thing you have to look into that. And criticism, when you are listening to the criticism, because it decides the behavioral communication, one, make sure your self-image stays positive. So you must ensure that mentally examine your critic intention, so you will know how best to deal with the information. Filter the criticism, ask question if it is necessary. Don't make excuses. Listen to understand. Focus on the future. What can you do? Suppose you get one negative criticism, how are you going to make it as a positive? By making some changes in your behavior or within you. And there are some recommendations. This one, skills for understanding and being understood. This is by the Synergy Publications. One of the fantastic and developing managerial skills by Harper's Collins publishers. Okay, Wheaton and Cameron, this is one of the popular book, and I request the students, you can have an inviting to both the books. Yeah. So my sincere thanks for organizing committee members for giving a wonderful opportunity to share my ideas and thoughts related to the behavioral communication, how it have a base, how it is having a positive impact, and what type of negative impact people will do if they are not in a position to correct their behavior. Your wholehearted thank for the entire team and the team, those who worked day and night to bring this program live. Thank you, Professor. Thank you for all for your patient listening.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible,
Sir,
please.
this is Assistant Professor Kailesh Mulidhar Jaitwar, sir. I am here for vote of thanks and respected speaker, sir. I am wholeheartedly convey my sincere thank for providing your valuable terms. On behalf of GS College of Commerce Wardha, it is my privilege to thank Dr. Karuppa Swami Ramanathan, sir, for sharing important thoughts and providing different types of PPT and slides. And thanks for giving your valuable time, sir. I would like to thank our inspiration officiating principal, Dr. Chauhan, sir, for giving us this opportunity to conduct this webinar. For the technical and motivational support, I thank IQAC coordinator Parishkrit Agrawal, sir. This series is an initiative of GS Commerce Club Wardha. So I am thankful to the Commerce Club, and I am thankful to the convener Dr. KV Somnath sir, member Dr. Kamla Tomar ma'am, Assistant Professor Surekha Dubey ma'am, Assistant Professor Manish Chauhan sir, and Dr. Karuppa Swami Ramanathan sir would have not been with us without the efforts of Dr. Somnath sir. So I especially thank you, sir. This program was for the students, and without their virtual presence, it wasn't be possible. Hence, I thank them too. Lastly, I want to thank myself to make this event a success through the coordination. Thank you, sir.